Good morning, children. Shall we start? Continue the lesson. Lesson number 4, adaptations in animals. We have learned the 4 groups of animals. Do you remember? Those are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and one more group of animals, that is scavengers. In the third class we have read the 3 groups of animals, but here in 4th class we are reading 4 groups of animals. See, not only, and one more group of animals, those are the worms, parasites. Parasites animals are those, they are depend upon the other organisms. They are called parasites. The animals which depend upon another animal for their food on the living organisms. They are called parasites. What are those? Those are small worms-like structure. We cannot see hair-like structure also. We can be. They are there. So lice, leeches are creatures that suck the blood, the heart. Means lice which are there on the human body's head. Even the monkeys are also having the lice on their bodies. So those lice will be sucking the blood from these animals. So hookworm, tapeworms and roundworms live inside the body of another animals and get their food. They are called parasites. Parasites means what? The organism, the small bacteria also which are depend upon the other animal for their food. They are called parasites. They will be sucking on the animals also. Some small flies which will sit on the body of animal and they will be sucking the water. They will be sucking the blood from the another animal. So those bacteria, those worms are called parasites. Depend upon the another animal for their food. Animals that depend on other organisms for their food are called parasites. These animals live inside the body of another organisms or even on it. Sometimes dogs will have that type of animals on their bodies. So hookworms, tapeworms and roundworms live inside the body of another animals and get their food. You can see here, this is the roundworm and the leech. Leech sucks the blood from the another animal's body. So these are this. Then secondly, we'll go for adaptations or protection. Adaptations or protection. Animals, they too have the fear that somebody may kill them. So that is why they will protect. Different animal will protect by different methods, by following the different ways. Some animals, they protect themselves by legs. They can run fast and protect themselves from their enemies. Some, they have the legs to kick, and some animals, they can change their body color depending upon the surroundings, what color it is. So those type of animals are called camouflage animals. You might have seen the chameleon mainly. It's common on the walls, on the trees, plants, small plants also you can see those animals. They will keep on changing. Suppose if the cement color wall is there, immediately they will change the color of their body. Suppose if the trees are on the trees bark, brown color it is there, then immediately they can see slowly they will change their body color in the brown color. Suppose if they are in the leaves, on the leaves, so they will be changing their green color. So those few insects are there, they keep on changing their body color depending upon the environment. So those insects, those animals are called camouflage animals. Even the zebra also comes under the camouflage animals. Suppose if the zebra is standing in a somewhere in the grass, dry grass, so the hunters will not be knowing whether it is a zebra or a dry grass. So they are the camouflage animals by changing them. The grasshoppers, chameleons, butterflies, leaf insects. You might have seen the leaf insects also, which will be in green color, and the shape of the insect is also leaf only. You can see the shape of the insect will be like this. You will not be knowing whether it is a leaf or it is an insect. You will be seeing like this, and the legs and all, it will be same leaf shape only. So few animals, they protect themselves with the horns. Buffaloes, cows, and goats also, they have two horns to protect themselves. With the thorn only they can protect. Two horns, they protect themselves with that. Have you seen the Animal Planet? How do they protect themselves? By running, by changing its color. In that you can see the show. You can enjoy the show also. So this is camouflage animal, insect and all. You can see deer also runs fast. See, sometimes it so happens that wild buffalo and the tiger, the lions, when they come to hunt the buffalo, what happens? Immediately they will bend and they try to poke their horns, two horns, and this tiger, they get scared and try to run away from the place. How they are protecting, how these wild animals protecting? With the help of their two horns on their head. Big horns are there. It can be, sometimes it so happens they will take the tiger on their two horns and they will throw the tiger. So like in this way they protect themselves from the animals. Adaptation. Now page number 219, parasites. You can see in the textbook also. I'll show you. Parasites, animals that depend on another organisms for their food, are called parasites. These animals live inside the body of another organism or even on it. Lice and leeches are creatures that suck the blood from the hosts. Hookworms, tapeworms, and roundworms live inside the body of another animal and get their food. Now these are the different types of parasites, animals. Adaptations for protection. Some animals like grasshoppers, chameleons, butterflies, frogs, leaf insects and stick insects can escape from their enemies because the color and shape of their bodies blend with their surroundings. This is known as camouflage. Now you can see the grasshopper, chameleons, butterflies and leaf insects. Stick insects also you can find out. You can, from the distance you cannot make out the stick insects, but their legs and the body structure will be like this. It will be like this, like stick only. The legs will be like this. will be like this. Now here, so you cannot make out whether it is a stick insect or simply the stick is lying there. So because it comes under the camouflage. Now some animals like deer and zebra are very strong, have very strong legs that help them to run away from danger. You can see the deer runs fast and the zebra also runs very fast. They have strong legs. Even cheetah, tiger, they too have very strong legs. So they can run fast and protect themselves from their enemies. Endangered animals. Endangered animals means few animals which are not there alive in this world. So totally there is no no species at all, no reproduction of the same kind of its own. So those are called extinct. Extinct means this is not at all there. So endangered animals, in spite of all the adaptations, animals are in danger. How, in what way they are in danger? Because we are cutting down the forests and constructing the roads and buildings and factories also. So we are taking away their homes in that way. And moreover, some they sell the skin of the animals and to make money, and some people they make use of the monkeys and some more animals. In the circus also you might have seen many animals, isn't it? Elephants are there, tigers are there, lions are there. How they show us their talent, isn't it? By standing on the foot on a big ball. The elephant stands on a stool, that and all, the ladder, and they will be playing, isn't it? And some elephants also they do the cycling also. We have seen in the circus, no? That way. So that is why we are taking away their freedom. They cut down forests and destroy the habitats of animals. Homes, farms and factories, power stations all give off waste. See, you can see the birds. Where there is a tower is there, cell phone tower is there, there you will not find the birds at all. Because the waves are so strong, they cannot fly over there. So where there is a cool place and the rivers and lakes are there, there only you will find a more number of birds over there. So these get into the air. Read out this, page number 220, endangered animals. In spite of all the adaptations, animals are in danger. Many animals all over the world are now rare. Some may soon disappear or become extinct from the earth. Do you know why? It is because people hunt animals for their needs. They cut down forests and destroy the habitats of animals. Homes, farms, factories and power stations all give off wastes. These get into the air, seep through the soil or even get into rivers, lakes and oceans, thus threatening wildlife. Here are some endangered animals. You can see tiger, gorilla, giant panda, polar bear, elephant, Asian elephant and chimpanzees are dinosaurs are not at all there. We haven't even seen how the dinosaurs. We have seen only in the parks the shape, the body shape of the dinosaurs, or sometimes in the pictures also we have seen the dinosaurs, isn't it? So people are now working hard to protect animals that are in danger, but but it can work only if all of you join hands to help, and you should live in ways that don't harm animals' life. So, see, only carnivores are living, that also will not do. Only herbivores are living, that also will not do. We have to balance this environment and protect them. In our next lesson, we'll study about few more points. Thank you.